Here I've got a CISA Astral S that was sent to me by Bouncer. Thank you for the lock. Tough lock to pick. Here's the key bitting for it. Key works. See if we can get her done. I'm going to use one of the Sparrow's Whiz-Wazzle picks. I'm starting the very back of the lock on this one. So there, I'm all the way in. Now I'm going to apply tension and work my way out. There it is, picked open. That was the quickest I've ever picked this little bitch. That's crazy. But there it is, picked open. Lock back up. What I'm going to do for you now, since I got it so quick, is I'm just going to go ahead and get it. I can put it back together at my shop because I don't have the stuff here to do it, but I have to see what's in this thing. I'm going to make a little bit of a mess, but I will get it back together. I just got to do it. Okay, let's come on. So I don't have the right wire here to take it apart properly, but so I got the clip off of it, keys out. So here I go. See, the buttons are on the bottom somewhere. There's the cam out of the back. Ow! I just lost all the side bottom pins, of course. Oh well. Those are all the side pins. I'll stick them over here. There's an oddball pin in the side of this, right there. There's all the holes for the bottom pin. I'm gonna spin this camera around real quick so we can see what's going on better. Okay, that's better. Okay, there's a weird little side pin right here. I didn't even know that was there. There's really nothing on the key to show it's there, but that's a little side Well, and it doesn't go all the way through into the chamber, so that's another little oddball pin there. The key pins are all, what would you call that? Barrel pin maybe? Not, I don't know, some kind of weird serration there. There's all the pins for the bottom, or the passive pins rather. There's 4 of them, and it looks like you can have up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them maybe, but I've only heard of them having 4. So there's the top pins. Set the plug down for a second here. Let's look at the driver pins that I spill everywhere. There's 1 driver, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 driver pins. That driver pin is hollow. So 6 minutes, I'm doing good. Okay, I'll drop all the key pins out. There's 1, 2, I'm done counting. So I wish I had something to take that apart the right way with. But here's another, here's an extra. I bet that goes in there. It does. Number 6, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spools. The 6th one is some kind of weird, I don't know what you call that. Y'all can look at it and tell me. Driver pin's hollow. The pin slides down into that pin. So it's kind of like a pin and pin type setup. But there's that one. I don't see any counter milling. In the chambers at all. I'm going to get the magnifier real quick out here so you can see what's going on a little better. Okay, there's all the pins. Come on. So there's all the spools and that weird driver at the end. There's all the key pins. The plug's got some little ledges in them, if you can see them right there. So there's all the ledges. There's the bottom holes for the passive pins. There's that side, I don't know what that is, maybe, I'm not sure. It doesn't go all the way through into the chamber, or into the warding, so I'm not sure what that's for. And that's just a little cam that was in, that's part of the cam inside. Don't see anything unusual up in the book. So there it is, CISA Astral S, single pin picked open. There's the passive pins for the side. There's the, I don't know what we call that one still. And this really weird top pin. And then 5 big spools. And there's the key again. Thanks for watching.